my interest in the dancing of the Roms. How did that begin? And here in Skopje. This all begins early in life. I am a child of immigrant parents who were born during the Austro-Hungarian period and immigrated to the U.S. after World War I to find work. I am born and educated in the U.S., but we spoke Croatian at home, and I did not speak English until I began elementary school. During the 4th year at the university, my life was changed due to the Tanats Ensemble Tour in the United States in 1956, the first East European folk dance ensemble to tour in the U.S. They were a sensation, and my first view of them from the audience was one of those wow. I went to every Tanats performance I could travel to in Southern California. I also decided that I wanted to learn about the sources of their repertoire. Where and how did the ensemble learn their dances? Where were the dances and dancers from? One of the dances in their performance was named Čupurlika, a Romani dance that I later researched. I found a similar description of it in other gypsy dances from Skopje Topana by Ljubica and Danica Jankovic, sisters who spent time in Macedonia as school teachers during the 1930s. I graduated from the university in January 1957. I worked to earn money for travel to Skopje and made contact again with Tanats. Due to my dancing and performance skills and their need for new female dancers, I was invited to audition. I was accepted. During my time in Skopje, I noticed a large number of people who were not dressed like the rest of the city. I was told that these were gypsies, and a large number lived here. Just as the Tanats performance in Los Angeles was a wow moment for me, so was this May 9th date a wow experience. Here were thousands of Roms gathered on the hillside with at least 10 music bands of tapan and zurla and other portable instruments of darabuka, clarinet, trumpet, accordion, accompanying hundreds of dancers, and with most of the women in festive dress, their colorful chintiani and headscarves. There was a new fabric introduced in these years, a lightweight nylon, so that with a little breeze or while dancing in 10 meters of fabric, I was reminded of fluttering butterflies. It was difficult to make an estimate of how many were participating in the May 9th date. I judged using a stadium of known numbers of about 10,000. There was no census statistic taken of the Roms in Yugoslavia before 1971, at which time there were about 17,000 counted in Skopje, so not an unrealistic guess of about 10,000 on the hillside. Yagne sails on May 4th and 5th, and lambs were being taken care of throughout Topana and Shutka. The bleating sound, the sound of the lambs, could be heard throughout the community, but quieted by afternoon of May 6th, by when each household had sacrificed lambs, which are seen hanging at the entry of each home. May 2nd is the beginning of the holiday cycle, with the arrival of lambs that were ordered about a month earlier in local villages. These lambs are greeted in early morning, after sunrise, by Tapan and Zorla musicians. Observed and evaluated by community men as to which is the largest, most beautiful lamb, and announced as the champion. This competition is taken very seriously between families living in Shutka.
Haide Romalen, neko vela menge gute versenge o ezeles.
The cycle of the lambs is from May 2nd, 3rd, 4th, sacrificed by afternoon of May 5th and morning of May 6th, when the streets become covered with blood and water, and a carcass of the lamb hanging at household entries throughout Topana and Siutka. The skins from each household are purchased in the neighborhoods by vendors who take the skins to leather factories. Children are given dots of blood on their foreheads for good health the rest of the year. Lamb liver is fried and shared with family members and neighbors. May 5th, Shutalopani, Kisalavoda, was to collect spring water that flows next to a church at the bottom of the Vodno mountainside. The morning of May 5th in 1987 was a very festive time, sort of the beginning of the 5-day holiday. Collecting water and rinsing their hands and faces with the spring water. And taking or buying green poplar branches to place above the entry to their homes, noting a change of seasons. May 6th morning. Children are bathed in warm water with poplar leaves, gold trinkets, and a boiled egg. They are then dressed in new clothing before the visiting family and other neighborhood children. May 7th and 8th. In earlier years, these dates were reserved for visiting family and dancing in the streets. In 1977, the street dancing was accompanied by a single microphoned band playing for hundreds of dancers in Siutka. May 9th was the festive day, especially at Topana hillside, until 2007 when the USA Embassy took charge of the hill. The festive eating and social gathering began to take place in the park area below the hillside, across the highway next to Topana community. In Siutka, dancing in the streets and open places was discouraged by religious edicts, both Christian and Islam. Dancing continued, but within households and not in public. For the next decade, dancing continued in the homes to recorded music, but not publicly in open spaces and streets as before 2007. The Siutka Luna Park. Beginning mid-1980s, a commercial amusement Luna Park came and took over the open areas of Shutka. They discouraged the socialization of feasting and in the open and dancing to local music. Luna Park rides continued annually so that the younger generation does not even know about the outdoor feasting and dancing celebrations in Shutka. This tangible museum exhibit with films and video covering 50 years is my gift to the Roms of Topana and Shutka.
Ja bih željela još jedan život da bi mogla dalje da istraživam.